Here, Aloha is multiple access protocol for transmission of data via shared network channel. Here, Aloha is multiple access protocol for transmission of data via shared network channel. Here, Aloha operates in the medium access control sublayer, that is MAC sublayer of OSI model. Here, Aloha is multiple access protocol for transmission of data via shared network channel. Here, Aloha operates in the medium access control sublayer, that is MAC sublayer of the OSI model. In Aloha, each node or station transmits a frame without trying to detect whether there is transmission channel is idle or busy. Here in Aloha, each station transmits a frame without trying to detect whether the transmission channel is idle or busy. If the channel is idle, then the frames will be successfully transmitted. If two frames attempt to occupy the channel simultaneously, then collision of frames will occur and that frames will be discarded. So these stations may choose to retransmit those corrupted frames repeatedly until successful transmission occurs. Here, Aloha, each station transmits a frame without trying to detect whether the channel is idle or busy. If the channel is idle, then frames will be successfully transmitted. Okay. If two frames attempt to occupy the channel at a time, then collision occurs. Then that frames will be discarded. So these frames will be repeatedly transmitted. Okay. Until successful transmission occurs. So that is Aloha. Here, Aloha is multiple access protocol for transmission of data via shared network channel. Here, Aloha operates in the MAC sublayer of OSI model. Here, there are two types of Aloha, pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. Here, there are two types of Aloha, pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. So first one, pure Aloha. So in pure Aloha, whenever a station has an available frame, it sends the frame. Whenever a station has an available frame, it sends the frame. If there is collision, then frame is destroyed and sender wait for random amount of time before retransmitting it. Here, pure Aloha, whenever a station has an available frame, it sends the frame. Okay, that means whenever sender receives the frame, it sends to the receiver. Okay. If there is collision, that frame is discarded and sender wait for some random amount of time and retransmit that frame. Next, slotted Aloha. So here, slotted Aloha, a station can transmit the frame only at the beginning of the each time slot. Here, in slotted Aloha, a station can transmit from the frame only at the beginning of each time slot. But in case of pure Aloha, whenever the frame arrives, sent to the receiver. But in slotted Aloha, here a station can transmit the frame only at the beginning of the time slot. Okay. Here also there is collision, but when compared to pure Aloha, the collisions are less in case of slotted Aloha. So these are the two types of Aloha, pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. Here, pure Aloha. See here, in this diagram, four stations that contended with one another for access to shared channel. Here, there are four stations, station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4. These are the four stations that contended with one another for access to a shared channel. Okay. So all these stations are transmitting frames. All these stations, station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4 are transmitting frames. Suppose for example, here frames 1.2 and 2.1 and 3.1 and 4.1 are collide with each other. Okay, there is a collision between frame 1.2, frame 2.1, frame 3.1, frame 4.1. Okay, so these all frames are collide with each other, and here also frame 1.3, frame 3.2 are collide with each other. Okay, see in pure Aloha, whenever station has an frame, it send the frame to the receiver. Okay, here whenever station has a frame, it sent to the receiver. Okay, it transmit that frame. This is pure Aloha. Next, here slotted Aloha. See here, the time is divided into slots. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, slot 6. Okay, here the time is divided into slots. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, slot 6. See here, in slotted Aloha, a station can transmit only at the beginning of each time slot. See here, time slot 1, station 1, send the frame 1.1. Next, this beginning of time slot 2, station 2 send the frame 2.1. Next, here station 1 send the frame 1.28, beginning of time slot 3. Next, station 3 send the frame 3.1 at beginning of slot 3. Okay, in the particular slot. That way it called slotted Aloha. Okay, so in slotted Aloha, a station can transmit only at the beginning of each time slot. That is the difference between pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. In pure Aloha, if station receives the frame, then transmit that frame. But in slotted Aloha, here each frame is transmitted at only beginning of the each time slot. So here also some collision here, frame 1.2, frame 3.1. These are collide with each other. But when you compare to pure Aloha here, in slotted Aloha, there are less collisions. Okay. That is the difference between pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. See, in pure Aloha, frame 1.2, frame 2.1, frame 3.1, frame 4.11 are collide with each other. But in slotted Aloha, only frame 1.2 and frame 3.1 are collide with each other. That means here station 1 transmit the frame 1.2 and station 3 transmit the frame 3.1 at the same time. Okay, so that's why here, these two are collide with each other. See, station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4 are transmit the frames by using only single channel, shared network channel. Here also pure Aloha, station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4 transmit the frame through the single channel. Okay. So this one is the flowchart for Aloha. Here, first one, start and next set back off to 0. That means here back off means random amount of time. Here back off means wait for some random amount of time. Here set back off to 0. That is random amount of time. And here sender send the frame and wait for some amount of time. Okay. So if the sender received acknowledgement, then transmission is success. If sender does not receive any acknowledgement means increase back off. That means wait for some more time. Okay. So if it is reached limit, that means limit the time, then abort the transmission and wait for some amount of time. Okay. And retransmit that frame again, send the frame. Okay. So this is the flowchart for Aloha. See here, start and next set back off to 0. Here back off is random amount of time. Initially random amount of time is 0 and next sender send the frame and wait for some time, and here sender wait for the acknowledgement. If the acknowledgement is received, then transmission is success. If the acknowledgement is not received, here no received acknowledgement, no. If the acknowledgement is not received by the sender, then increase back off means here random amount of time equal to 1. So wait for some time. Okay. If the time exceeds reached limit, if the time exceeds, then abort the transaction. Okay, end the transmission. Okay, if the time not exceeds means wait for some more time. Okay, and resend the frame. So this is the flowchart for Aloha. Next, maximum efficiency of pure Aloha as well as slotted Aloha. See here, first one, efficiency of pure Aloha n equal to formula g into e power minus 2g. And here maximum value of n, that is maximum efficiency of pure aloha occurs at G equal to 1 by 2 in case of pure aloha. See here G equal to 1 by 2. So substitute this G value in the above formula. Here 1 by 2 into e power minus 2 into your G value 1 by 2. So after calculating, so the maximum efficiency of pure aloha is 0.184, that is 18.4 percentage. So this is in case of pure aloha. Next, slotted aloha. Here efficiency of slotted aloha is G into e power minus G. So pure aloha G into e power minus 2G. So slotted aloha G into e power minus G. So here the maximum value of n, that is maximum value of this efficiency occurs at G equal to 1. So here pure aloha G equal to 1 by 2. Here maximum value of efficiency occurs at G equal to 1. So substitute G value 1 in the above formula. So here G1, 1 into e power minus G, e power minus 1. So 1 by e. So here e is the exponential. So 1 by e equal to 0.368. So 36.8 percentage. So the maximum efficiency of slotted aloha is high due to less number of collisions. In slotted aloha, there are less number of collisions when compared to pure aloha. So that's why here efficiency is more in the slotted aloha. Here maximum efficiency of slotted aloha is 36.8 and the maximum efficiency of pure aloha is 18.4. So this maximum efficiency of pure aloha and slotted aloha. So efficiency of pure aloha G into e power minus 2G. So the maximum efficiency of pure aloha occurs at G equal to 1 by 2. Here efficiency of slotted aloha G into e power minus G. So the maximum value of efficiency of slotted aloha occurs at G equal to 1. So these are the formulas. Efficiency of pure aloha G into e power minus 2G. Efficiency of slotted aloha G into e power minus G. Next one, differences between pure aloha and slotted aloha. Differences between pure aloha and slotted aloha. Here in pure aloha, any station can transmit the data at any time. In pure aloha, any station can transmit the data at any time. In slotted aloha, any station can transmit the data at the beginning of any time slot. Okay, here pure aloha at any time. In slotted aloha, a station can transmit the data at the beginning of time slot. Next here, pure aloha time is continuous, and in slotted aloha time is discrete. Okay, and here probability of successful transmission of data packet, that is efficiency equal to G into e power minus 2Z. Here efficiency is G into e power minus G. So maximum efficiency that occurs at G equal to 1 by 2. So that is equal to 18.4. Here maximum efficiency of slotted aloha occurs at G equal to 1. So that is 36.8. So here G means number of stations willing to transmit the data. Here G equal to number of stations. So the main advantage of pure aloha is simplicity in its implementation. Here the main advantage of slotted aloha is reduces the number of collisions to off and double the efficiency of pure aloha. Here pure aloha is efficiency 18.4, slotted aloha 36.8. That means double this efficiency of pure aloha. Here are the differences between pure aloha and slotted aloha. This is about aloha. There are two types of aloha, pure aloha and slotted aloha. So pure aloha, whenever station has an available frame, it sends the frame. In case of slotted aloha, a station can transmit only the beginning of each time slot, only at the beginning of each time slot. In pure aloha, when two or more stations transmit simultaneously, there is a collision and frames are destroyed. Here, frame 1.2 and frame 2.1, frame 3.1, frame 4.1. Okay, so these frames are transmitted at a time simultaneously. So there is a collision between these frames. So these frames are destroyed here. Frame 1.2, frame 2.1, frame 3.1, frame 4.1 are destroyed. Okay. So acknowledgement is not received for these frames within a specified time. So the station assume that the frame has been destroyed here. Station 1 send the frame 1.2 and station 2 send the frame 2.1 at a time. So there is a collision between frames 1.2 and frame 2.1. Okay. So your station 1 has not received the acknowledgement for this frame 1.2 and station 2 not received the acknowledgement for this frame 2.1. So station 1 assume that frame 1.2 is destroyed and station 2 assume that frame 2.1 is destroyed, and your stations 1 and 2 wait for some amount of time and resend those frames, frame 1.2 and frame 2.1. And slotted aloha, the time of the shared channel is divided into time slots, discrete interval time slots. In slotted aloha, the time of the shared channel is divided into time slots. Here, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, and slot 6. Okay, here the stations can send a frame only at beginning of the time slot and only one frame sent in the each slot. Here, only one frame sent in the here each slot. Here, slot 1, frame 1.1, slot 2, frame 2.1, slot 3, frame 1.1 and 3.1. Here there is a collision. Okay, here slot 4, frame 4.1 only one frame. So there is no collision. And slot 5, frame 2.2, only one frame, there is no collision. And here frame slot 6, frame 3.2 and frame 4.2, two frames. Here there is a collision. Okay. Here in slotted aloha, the stations can send a frame only at the beginning of the time slot and only one frame is sent in the each slot. Okay. If there are multiple frames sent in the one time slot, then there is a collision. So here slotted aloha still has an edge over pure aloha as the chances of collision are reduced to 1/2. So here in slotted aloha also there is a collision. But when compared to pure aloha, the collisions in slotted aloha are less. So that's why efficiency of slotted aloha is double the efficiency of pure aloha. Okay, efficiency of slotted aloha 36.8. So efficiency of pure aloha 18.4. Okay. So this is about aloha. In next class we discuss CSMA and CSMA CD and CSMA CA. Okay, carrier sense multiple access protocols.